I'm going to do acrylic pouring. The original video is about using syringe, but I don't have a syringe, so I made this one. Syringe. Okay. So I used this plastic bottle and made hole on front of it and covered with the tape and made the hole on the back so I can pour paint on the back. So I'm going to pour first.
You're gonna pour. Holy moly!
Really?
Okay. So we applied the black.
We applied the black, everybody's.
Now I'm going to put yellow first.
Oh, look! Do you like my new feet?
Yeah. Whoa. Did you hear?
This is red.
Whoa.
Then
So
white.
Yeah, we're doing white now, boy. You don't want to drop that, Mum.
Then
Pink.
Please stop immediately.
And is that more white?
yeah.
Wow.
Then blue.
Oh, green's last. Whoa.
Are you gonna mix it?
Green.
Yay!
It shouldn't be mixed, but we will see.
Is that liquid?
No, they just milk.
Okay. So it looks like
Ooh.
this.
Oh.
Mom, I like this part.
Oh, Mum, turn it around a bit. Turn it around a bit. Look at that.
Yeah.
I like that part.
No. Okay, take this thing off.
Excuse me, Mom. Hello.
Wait.
No! God, please,
Whoa.
no! No!
But don't worry, we can still see it. What? That's awesome.
You can't see the green well.
Oh, look, who cares?
Sadly.
That's awesome.
Mom, can I have a squeeze?
Yeah.
Can I have a squeeze?
Okay. You're just supposed to move like that.
What? Whoa!
Whoa.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to speak with you.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Down.
The middle looks disgusting.
Mom, can I touch it?
No! Jeez.
Mom.
It's not working. Okay. I don't think it's look very good.
It's good.
Oh, thank you.
They're also my favorite colors.
It looks like space. Because there's like that blackness around. And then the sun's there. There's darkness. And then there's like all the stars.
Can I use the pink?